Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find and manage sound settings on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So we're gonna start by using two buttons that are on the right side of the smartphone. We have volume up and volume down buttons, which we can use in order to turn up or down the volume on our smartphone, as you can see over here. And once it shows up, you can use the finger in order to move the slider up or down. We can also tap over here on this speaker in order to turn on vibrations, only vibrations, or we can choose the silent mode, so everything will be muted. Now, in addition to that, let's actually pop this up again. Let's turn this back on. We can also tap on these three dots over here in order to choose to adjust some of the settings. So we have the media volume, the call volume, ring volume, notification volume, and alarm volume, all of which can be adjusted by moving the slider from left to right, like so. If we also tap over here on these options, then we will open the whole sound and vibration settings. And in addition to that, we can also tap settings here to open the same thing, or we can just straight up go to settings and then find sound and vibration category over here. And as you can see, we can find the same settings once again. So here we have a bunch of different settings, all related to sound and vibration. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.